everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I partnered with FabFitFun to show you guys what's inside the Spring 2019 box. And let me just start off by saying that this is the best box they've ever done. Like, I opened this up earlier to kind of go through things and review it all, and I could not believe what they put in here this time. Such big brands, such great things, and it's just amazing. So this is by far my favorite box. It's also bigger. I think the box is bigger than normal, so that was kind of exciting too, because I'm like, there must be really cool things in here. Plus, look at the packaging of this box. Like, it is so cute. It makes me want to just save this box forever. I love it. But if you guys are new to my channel and don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a seasonal subscription box. It comes out 4 times a year for each season, and it's full of full-size products from wellness, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, makeup. There's so many things in this box, and they're not sample size, they're full-size products. It's literally the best box that shows up at your door every season, and it's full of like the seasonal essentials. But one of my favorite things about this box, since you guys know I love a deal, is that each box is $49.99. But there's a value of over $200 worth of things inside every single time. This box specifically can get up to $314, just depending what you choose, because now they let you customize boxes. So if you guys have never tried FabFitFun before, you can use my discount code KM10, and that will get you guys $10 off your first box. So you guys can get the box for $39.99 and get like over $300 worth of stuff in your box. It's so amazing. So let's go ahead and check out what's inside my box. You guys are gonna freak out about what's in this box. It's seriously amazing. They all come with these little magazines where it shows you all the different options you can choose from and the value of each box. So this box has a value of between $226 and $314, just depending on what you choose. So that is seriously crazy. It's so cool looking around and seeing all the different options. So let me show you guys what I got in mine. Okay, let's just start out with the biggest thing because this is so exciting. I got a diffuser in this box. I think that is amazing. I'm obsessed with diffusers. I feel like if you follow my channel, you guys already know that. I use essential oils. I love diffusing them in the air. And this one is so nice. It's by Unplug. It's called Unplug Meditation, and you can actually download an app, it says, and do like guided meditation through it. It comes with 1 essential oil, and this one is my favorite one that I use all the time. And it's the Happy scent. It's an orange essential oil, and I just think it smells the best, and it smells clean, and it does smell happy, and I just really like the way it smells because it's like a sweet scent. So you get that in the box, and then you get a full-size diffuser. It's just amazing. This has a value of $55, so that's already more than you would have paid for the box. So it's just crazy that this is even in here. I love it. It plugs in and actually changes colors, it says. So I think you guys would love it as well. This is one of the items in the FabFitFun box that you guys get to pick between different things. So if you don't like essential oils or don't really care about diffusers, there's also different options that are really cute as well. I know I say this every single time I open my FabFitFun box, but it's seriously true. This happens every single time. I think of something I need, and then it shows up in the FabFitFun box. So I don't know what it is. It's just a miracle every single time. But this time it happened with this Way leave-in conditioner. And you know, I need some leave-in conditioner. The ends of my hair are so dry. If I don't straighten it, it literally looks like straw. Like, it looks really bad right now. So I've been needing some leave-in conditioner to like smooth out my ends. And Way, like, are you serious? This is such a cute brand. I've bought some things from them before, and it's so high-end. You know, all the celebrities use it, all that kind of stuff. But I'm so excited that this came in the box. And you know, usually when I buy leave-in conditioner, I reach for like, you know, the $5 one, the $6 one. This one is worth $26. So this is such a treat to have. Next time I wash my hair, I'm gonna use this, and I'm so excited. This just feels like luxury to me. Okay, this next thing I really think you guys are gonna freak out about, because I'm kind of freaking out about this. So yeah, still not over it, but this box has Key Australia sunglasses in it. Like, what? I literally go online and buy these sunglasses all the time. I love the styles that they have. I think they're really good quality. And now they're in the FabFitFun box. This is amazing. It comes in this little pouch, and there's 2 different styles you can pick from. So that's really exciting as well if you're not really into this style. But look how cute these are. Like, are you serious? Little cat eye sunglasses? Like, oh my gosh. How cute. They also have like an aviator style if you guys are more into that, but like really good quality sunglasses. They have like matte black detail and silver detail around, so that's just so cute. Like, I've always wanted that kind of shape sunglass. What's it called? Like cat eye or something like that. And they're $55, guys. If you guys aren't really into sunglasses, they also have different options. So that's one of the ones that you can pick between different things again. Oh, and this is another big brand. This is a beauty brand, Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Like, Dr. Brandt is pretty expensive. This eye depuffing gel costs $42. So this is some high-end fancy stuff. I'm so excited because I use eye cream every night. I'm like a big eye cream person because I just really don't want wrinkles. So this one actually says needles no more, because maybe it's like some serious eye stuff that I'm really excited by. And it actually does kind of have like a peachy orange tint to it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's kind of like an orange tint on there. So that actually cancels out like the blue tone that comes out under your under eyes. I've actually never bought a Dr. Brandt product, so I feel very fancy again having this in the box as well. This is so exciting. Everything is just such a treat. Okay, this next thing, I know you guys know about this brand. I see it everywhere, and I should have actually bought this for myself a long time ago, but it's a Sip by Swell metal water bottle, and I need to start implementing this into my life because I used way too many water bottles that are plastic, and that's just so much recycling and waste. So this is definitely gonna be something that I add to my life. I'm so excited to have my own Swell bottle because they're pretty fancy too. It actually sells for $19.99. And this one is such a cute color. It also has tiny whales on it, and I'm gonna be taking this to the gym. So I think that's kind of funny, taking my whale water bottle to the gym, but I'm so excited to start using it. It actually says it keeps your drinks hot or cold. Maybe I can even put my coffee in here. It's such a spring thing because people are more active in the spring, get outside more, drink more water, all that kind of stuff. So I feel like this really makes sense to be in here. And oh, I feel so lucky to have this. I'm so excited. Oh, and speaking of active lifestyle, this is something that I should really be implementing into my life as well. This is an 11 by Venus jump rope, and this is the box that it came in, but this is the actual jump rope. Look how beautiful that blue color is, and these nice handles that have like cushion on them. This is really, really nice, and jump rope is so hard, but so good for you and such a good cardio thing. So that's really exciting that they have fitness stuff in the box as well, but this has a value of $15, and if you're not really into jump rope or fitness, they also have other things you can choose from too, so don't think that you're just stuck with a jump rope if you don't want one. This next thing is something that everyone gets in their box, and it's definitely something everyone can use. It's champagne charcoal body scrub, and it's by Manna Kadar. It's made out of charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, and like scrubs away all your dead skin. And it's literally like a black scrub because there's charcoal in it, but it smells so good. Like, I don't know if that's what champagne smells like or if it smells like blueberries or something, but it's amazing. And I can't wait to use this in the shower as well because I need to get rid of all of my winter dead skin and get some nice new spring skin in here. So this comes with everyone's box. It's a huge container of it. So this is gonna last a really long time. And this has a value of $24. Next thing is Libido Inspired by Nature Aromatic Body Lotion. And this is in the scent Mandarin Orange and Bergamot. So this is gonna be really good to use after my body scrub that they put in here as well. So it's a nice little skincare routine that they're putting in here, but this is also something that you can choose between other items, and this one has a value of $19. I think the last thing in here is this HelloFresh $50 gift card. Like, that is crazy. I'm gonna start ordering some food. It says $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. I know a lot of people use HelloFresh. I could probably use it because I need some help with dinner ideas. Like, I feel like I make the same thing every night, so this will add some excitement to my life. So now we got some food things, some beauty things, lifestyle, fitness, wellness, skincare, literally everything is in this box. So let me know down below what your favorite thing in the box is. I'm pretty sure mine might be the sunglasses or the diffuser because I just am still in shock that they're even in there, and I think they're such great items to be in the box. It's just so much value, so many fancy things, so many things that I would not normally buy myself, so I think they're like such a great gift. But as I said earlier, if you guys have never tried FabFitFun, you guys will definitely love it, and I can get you guys $10 off your first box if you guys use my discount code KM10. So I'll leave all of that information down below in the description box so you guys can try that out today and customize your own box. It's gonna be so exciting. But anyways, I have to close out this video before I lose all of my light here. It's getting a little dark. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button for me. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys turn my notifications on so you guys never miss a video. I usually do a lot of home decor, room makeovers, DIYs, organization videos. So if you guys are into that, make sure you guys are here for it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.